Good day, monetizers, and welcome back to my Facebook page and to my channel, Social Media Monetizers. And for today's video, we are going to talk about the new update for the Earnings Insight Access. So before, we know how to give ourselves access to Earnings Insight when we have a restriction or if you are newly monetized. But with the new update, there has been a problem to many pages admins that are newly monetized, that they cannot give access to themselves for the Earnings Insight access. So we are going to talk about that for this video. For anything else, I would like to invite all of you to follow me on my social media channels, Facebook, YouTube, and WordPress. Social Media Monetizer for more updates, tutorials, and news about the world of social media monetizing. Okay, so let's dive in on about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I just posted a video about how you can solve the restriction on earnings access. But I think with the new update, you cannot use that anymore. So this would be the latest video, so that you can give access to yourselves for the Earnings Insight access. So I think this week, Facebook updated the Earnings Insight access. Not all pages have the update yet. I have some pages where it's still the same as before. I think the newly created pages and the newly monetized pages are the one being updated first. That's why most of the people that are asking me are newly monetized. So Facebook updated the Earnings Insight access. As per Facebook's words, they said Earnings Insight access has moved. Access to in-stream ads, Earnings Insights has been incorporated into page roles for easier permission management. Now all roles except analysts can access earnings info for your videos. To view or control who has access, visit the Pages tab. So that is what you will see when you go to the settings of in-stream ads, and if you want to turn on your Earnings Insight access. At first, I also don't know what to do with this, because I just learned about the new update from Facebook. But by talking with those that has the problem, we get to research how we can solve this problem. Because when you go to the Pages tab, like this notification has said, it's just the same. They are all still admins. They are already added as admins. So there has to be another thing that they have to do. So here's what you should do to give yourself access to the Earnings Insight access. Okay, number one, you go to your Business Manager. So you can just type on Google Business Manager, then click Business Manager Overview, and you will go to your own Business Manager. If you have no Business Manager, you have to create one. I think that is why Facebook did this, because they want all pages to have Business Manager. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know if that is true. Okay, so when you go to the Business Manager Overview, it will take you to your Business Manager. So for me, for one of my accounts, I have a lot of Business Manager. So you have to choose the page the monetized page already. You have to choose the monetized pages business manager. For example, this one. Just click that, and then it will take you inside the business manager of that page. So you will see it here. It will change to the business manager of the page. And then use click See All in Business Settings. When you click See All in Business Settings, will take you to the settings of the page. So you select the pages, and then the page that is monetized, you have to make sure this is the page that is monetized. And then look for your name, the one that is highlighted, and then click that one. Wait, I'll put it here. Okay, click your name, and then you will see here view earnings insight. So just on that. If it's already on, off it again and then on it again, just to make sure, because most of the times Facebook has so many things on its mind that there's so many glitch. So on your views earnings insight, if you are the admin, or you can also on this the manage page admin access, and then save it. After you save it, you go back to Creator Studio and look if there is still the restriction, or you can already see your earnings. So that's it. That's how simple it is to give access to yourself. I think each admin has to do this on his or her own, because a business manager, I think you cannot. I am not sure how it would be, but I think every admin has to give access to him or herself. So that's it. I hope you've learned something. It's new, and I hope you have learned something, and please share.